Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw the Pink Panther. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First we're going to start with a little nose. We're going to draw a triangle. Right above the triangle, we're going to draw a smaller triangle. And now we're going to draw the cheeks, both sides. So I'm going to make a little line down. And you're going to make it nice, round, flat at the bottom. Nice and round, keep it flat on the bottom. And then right from there we can draw the whiskers. Draw a little whisker down, another one, and let's do the same on the other side. The little chin right below. And now we're going to go to the two eyes. You're going to draw two round eyes, sort of oval shape. And right within that, pupils. And as usual, light reflections. Let's color the pupils in. Right above the eyes, two eyebrows. Squares, you can draw sort of a rectangular shape. This side as well. And let's color the eyebrows in. Now for the head. Two straight lines from the eye. One in between. And now we're going to draw the ears. We're going to draw one ear on this side. And you're going to draw the other ear. Let's go to the cheeks, and you can do the same on the other side. And the inner ear. There we go. And now for a smile. You're going to draw two little lines up, and you're going to make sort of a hook shape. And look, there's the smile. Now let's start with the body. I'm going to draw a pear shape. I find it easier. Right below the pear shape, I'm just going to draw a little skew line. And from the pear shape up, it's going to be the torso. And now we're going to draw legs. So on this side, I'm going to draw a little leg with a kneecap. And we'll do the same on the other side. And we stop right there. Now we're going to draw the shoulders and the arms. First thing, I'm going to draw the inner arm, and I'm going to bring it down. The inside of the arm connected to the body. And then from here, we're going to draw the neck, the shoulder, the arm. Bring it down. Let's do the same thing on this side. The shoulder, the arm, and the lower arm. And now I'm going to draw a little ball back, and from this side I'm going to do the same thing, and there's the hands. And then of course we're just going to draw two lines there. For the fingers, good. Now we're going to go down to the legs. From the kneecap, bring a line out, bring another line out. And now on the inside we can draw the inside legs. I'm going to draw two little inside lines like this. And now you're going to draw a little calf and the bottom of the foot. Do the same thing on this side, the bottom of the foot. Now that we have this, we're going to draw a straight line out, about the same distance. Let me just make a mark there for me, and maybe I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to just take it back to the foot. And now we're going to draw the top of the foot. I'm going to keep it very flat, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. Keep it very flat. And let's draw a toe, maybe two lines, and I'll draw another two lines here as well. And now we can draw a little tail. We can start right there. And I'm just going to draw a tail. And then this side, let's do the same thing as well. And there's our little Pink Panther. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure Pink Panther will look amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.